Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to make a special card because I'm going to make it because my mom and dad's anniversary is coming up. So I'm making an anniversary card. So first you will need a pink paper sheet, a red paper sheet, and some glue and a pencil and some scissors. So first we're gonna fold your pink paper sheet this way. Okay? Let's do it. Now you can do it like this. Now you put your pink sheet aside and take your red sheet. Now we're gonna make some hearts out of your red sheet. I'm gonna show you how to make a big heart and a few small hearts. We're gonna make hearts, and I'm gonna cut them. I'm gonna show you how I'm making them, and then when I cut them out, I'll show you what the size they are when I'm finished cutting them out. Let's start cutting. First, fold your paper how you folded it in the pink card. Do it the same way. Now, make a card like the pink card and cut out hearts. I folded it like this, like the pink card. See? Open. Let's open it. Now on one side of the paper, make half of the heart. Okay? Let's start cutting. Make the heart, draw the heart lightly with a pencil and then cut them out. Okay? Like this. Now make the heart like this on the one page. Now let's start cutting out that heart. Cut both of the pages with the one page. You trace the one page with the two pages so it can look like a realistic heart. I don't know how to put them. Open up your hearts. Show me all your hearts and then put them down, and now and take your book and paste them on this page, right on the page, on this one. Okay? Let's get to doing it. Apply some glue and put it on and stick it on. Not going. Oh, see, it wasn't opened widely. Is that enough? Okay, now if you're done pasting your heart, let it dry. Dry for a moment. Okay? Until that, we'll make some small hearts for the back page. We're gonna put, as I was saying, we're gonna put some on the back page and the front page. Let's draw some with a pencil, dark, and then cut them out and glue them on both sides. Okay? Now let's do it. Come on. Still. Make one and then cut it out, and then make another one and cut it out. Do it. Okay? I can't go in the bottom. Okay, let's keep going. Let's sing a song together. Ho, 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 ho. What to do when your bag is lost? Ho, There's a mystery uppercase. Let's cut along with our hearts more. Let's cut along with our hearts more. Stop singing woo, woo. Stop singing woo, woo. Let's cut on with our hearts more, more. Woo. Let's cut on with our hearts more. I have done the heart. Now I'll show you three or two hearts. With my little hearts. You can make out. I make so much. You can make so much too, but I'm just showing two. Okay, now let's paste on the front page and the back page. Okay, let's start pasting. Done. Take you. This and this and this. Okay, now let's start pasting. Okay. Put glue on. There. It looks so pretty. Yes, I love it. Everyone, are you focusing? Staying nice and steady. And what's the ready? So, come on everyone, keep focus. If everyone do it like this. Let it dry, okay? When you're done, let it dry. Now I'm gonna put some hearts on the back page. Turn your page to this side, okay? And start sticking hearts on the back. It's gonna be much nicer with hearts on the back too. It'll be nice and mellow. It'll be nice and nice and nice and nice. If you have a problem cutting your hearts, take help from your mom and dad, even if it's an anniversary card and you want to do it for secret. It's alright. It's gonna be just fine. I'm gonna show mine. Now open up your cards and draw something you want to do. Draw your whole family. But if you want, you can write down your whole family. I have a big family, but my short family is my mom and dad. My dad. I'm drawing my dad. His eyes. And my mom. Draw a pretty dress on your mom and yourself. And your dad. But a pant and a shirt for your dad, not a dress. Yahoo! Ooh, yay! Now I'm gonna write a secret message for my mom and dad. Let's go. Write a secret message for a mom and dad on this side of the page, not here, okay? My message is Happy Mom and Dad Arham. Let's go. Happy mom no and do again. Love Arham. This A. The A is silent. Love Arham. The spelling of my name is capital A, then not capital R, then tall baby H, and then baby A, and then M. This is my thing. I hope if you like it and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you like my video, like and subscribe and make a card for your mom and dad and for their anniversary and bye. Yeah.